This is the road leading to our farm. I'm traveling south at the moment. And you can see the building of our farm over there. And the village that we belong to is straight down the road, kind of half a kilometer just down. And this road leads to Kartarpur, that Sikh temple. Now as we turn left, this is our private road. Obviously a bit muddy because of the rain. And there is our farm building. Pasha. So as we enter the farm, this is what you see. There's a papaya tree. It's just got fruit on. I'm not sure when it's gonna ripe. This plant is Angel's Trumpet. It should be flowering in a month's time maximum. Then these are all flowers, flower bed with garlic in it. So we've planted garlic with the flowers. It's companion planting. Here in this patch, which is planned to be converted into a lawn, and before that we're cultivating. We've got potatoes, green peas, cabbage, cauliflower, tomatoes planted around in this field, in this part here. So once we harvest all that, then it's gonna get converted into kind of lawn area with the grass and some space where we can sit in. And alhamdulillah, we've got guava trees full of guavas. They're nice big sized guavas. Should be ripening soon as the weather changes. Then we've got our cows. These are all the young cows on this side. We've also got some fruit plants around. This is a neem tree, and that one is neem tree as well. But all the cows on the left side, these are the ones which we are milking at the moment. So alhamdulillah. Then here I've got my chicken operation going, chicken composting system. So these are the piles which we are converting into compost with the help of chickens. This pile here is almost ready. I'm gonna move it out towards the middle of this week. That pile should be ready in a week and a half from now. This is actually that pile over here being transferred here. So we're gonna flip it over here, and that's gonna be kind of a week, and then from there over to here, and then a week later that should be ready to go. And in the meantime, this pile would get shifted over there, and that would follow the track. And when this pile gets to this point, that should be compost ready to be used. In the same way, that pile is gonna move down the road, and this pile, which I'm building from that pile over on the far end, that's gonna follow the same way. So ideally, inshallah, we'll be having a big pile of compost ready every week. Doesn't look that much because the chickens have been kicking it around. I need to put it back together. But alhamdulillah, this system is working well. This, which I said we're going to convert to lawn. This is the same guava tree. Another guava tree. This is kind of orange, I'm not sure which one. Then we've got another guava tree. This one here is henna. And another citrus, guava, another citrus. These are two citrus trees as well. That one is where you can see a nest in the tree, a bush kind of. This is pomegranate, but unfortunately that one does not taste well. That's what I've been told. I've never tried it. Some roses, very nice smell. Then we've got a lemon tree, which is full of lemons. Alhamdulillah, very nice. Some more citrus trees. This is loquat. Another loquat over there. That tree is olive. And here we've got some herbs and spinach for our own consumption. This thing over here was supposed to be a banana circle, but it's kind of dug into a square shape. So I need to plant some more bananas around it. There's one plant there. And I had one plant here, but that unfortunately died. I need to plant some more plants. Another citrus, guava, and then there is a row of guavas and some citrus trees along here. This is a fig plant, which is coming back. I was quite worried about it because I planted it not long ago and it wasn't looking very good. So it has shed all its leaves, and now the new leaves are appearing. And these are once again guavas with citrus. This is where I'm planning to make a couple of, well, not actually a couple, more than a couple. At the moment there are only 2 rows, but it's gonna be a no-dig bed. I'm gonna have not couple, once again I'm gonna say couple, but I'm gonna have a few no-dig beds running along north to south here. So the compost I'm preparing with the chickens is gonna be put on these beds, and then I'm gonna be planting vegetables over here. So this is about it. This whole part I want to convert into chicken coops. There's a pond here as well, which I would like to fill, and maybe have a couple of geese in there with the chicken, and put a fence around it, and have my breeding pairs here. So next year round I don't need to buy any chickens from outside. I have my own breeds. I'm hoping that I'm gonna keep a few breeds that I like, and then monitor them, how they perform, and see which breeds are good for us to keep here in our environment. And once again, this is the cow shed from the other side, and this is 1 acre that we have covered for our farm. Getting to the end of the day. Alhamdulillah, today's harvest. So towards the end of the day, 4:30 now in the evening. So this pile, what I was talking about, is almost ready, and it's gonna be going out this week. This is the pile. This is the compost pile, which I'm shifting from there to here. And now you can see it's a bit tidied up, because I've built them up. This, scratch it out, I'll build them up. This is another one, and that is another one. Now I've put them all together. I've built them up. They're gonna scratch and pull it apart and spread it around, and I'm gonna fix it up again. This is what the routine is now. It looks quite clean and tidy as opposed to what it was in the morning. So that's kind of the day's routine. I'll make another video in a few days. End of the day, the cows have been milked, and now the process of cleaning the machine is gonna go on, and all the cows are busy eating, getting ready for bedtime. Going home, sun is setting. Tomorrow another day, inshallah.